phone right now. Hold on one second.
Okay. We'll give her a minute before we start.
Mm-hmm.
It's crazy. They all used to be up now. We're all I'm getting old.
Okay, I'm gonna leave from my work phone.
Do you have any grandbabies?
All right.
No,
My
they're-
work.
they're working. So there's a little bit of an issue that we on her side. So
Okay, there we go.
All right, Ms.
Good
Woods.
morning.
All right, if you're going to testify, please raise your right hand.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're giving today is true and correct, so help you God?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down and we'll start with cause number 44, the state of Chad, Jason Woods.
Morning, Your Honor. I'm Philip
Good morning.
Glasser. I'm the attorney for Miss Tanya Woods, administrator of the estate. And we're here today on an application for sale of real property.
Okay, you may proceed, Counselor.
Yes, we're asking the court to sell a piece of real property. It was decedent's home located here in Chambers County. We believe it's necessary and advisable under Section 356.251 of the Texas Estates Code. There are expenses of administration that need to be paid. There's a mortgage on the home, and we also believe it's in the best interest of the estate so that all the heirs can receive some funds from the estate once it's settled.
All right, any other testimony?
Would you like me to get some testimony from my client?
Is your client there?
Yes,
I'm
it's
here.
Ms. Woods.
Oh, that's Ms. Woods?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
No, it's not necessary unless you'd like to.
Ms. Woods, anything you'd like to tell the court?
No, the mortgage right now just went up to 5,500. So when Chad was alive, we both paid half, and that's a lot right now. So that's it.
Well, I think that strengthens our argument. Thank you, Ms. Woods. I have nothing further, Judge, but we're happy to answer any other questions.
All right, the state of Chad, Jason Woods hereby order sale of the real property. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you,
Take care.
sir. Bye.
Bye. Cause number 128, State of County, Edmondson Jennings.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Christian Reiholt, and I'm an attorney for the applicant, and I'll be giving testimony today.
You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Connie Edmondson Jennings died on November 22nd, 2025 in the city of Baytown, Chambers County, Texas, at the age of 70. At the time of her death, she was domiciled and resided in the city of Baytown in Chambers County, Texas. 4 years have not elapsed since the date of her death. The document dated August 29th, 2025, that is filed with the court, which purports to be Connie's last will, was never revoked as far as I know. Your Honor, I ask that you take judicial notice that the will identified is the original will.
Go down.
Thank you, Your Honor. This estate requires administration. No children were born to or adopted by Connie after the date of the will. No marriage of hers was dissolved after the date of the will. There's no state, government agency of the state, or charitable organization named in the will. The will names her husband, Johnny Glenn Jennings Jr., to serve as independent executor of the estate, and he is not disqualified by law from accepting letters testamentary or from serving as independent executor, and he is entitled to such letters. Your Honor, I ask that you admit the will to probate and appoint Johnny Glenn Jennings Jr. as independent executor to serve without bond and to waive appraisers.
Talked to Johnny Glenn this morning. Actually swore in Johnny to the navigation district board.
Oh, is that right?
All right, thanks, Counselor. All right, cause number 131, the state, Ann Lee. Morning, Mr. McCall.
Morning, Judge.
You may proceed.
Thank you, sir. Your name is Joe Lee. Your mother was Annie Lee.
Ann?
Oh, Ann. Okay. And she passed away on December 3rd of 2025.
Yes.
And she had her fixed place of residence in Chambers County on the
Yes.
date of her death. And you filed this original will in the county court to probate her
Yes.
last will and testament. And you recognize this as a copy, but you recognize this to be her last will and
Yes, I
testament.
do.
And you recognize that to be her signature?
Yes.
As far as you know, she never amended or revoked this
As far
will.
as I know, never.
Okay. And there's a necessity to probate the will because she owns real estate and y'all need to transfer that out of the estate. She never got divorced after the day of the will. Never had any children after the day of the will. She didn't leave anything to the state or a governmental entity or any charity under the will. The will named your sister to be the executor of the estate, but she lives up the country somewhere.
She lives in Seattle, Washington.
Okay, and y'all got together and it was decided between the two of y'all it'd be better for you to step in and be the executor
I
of
was
this.
here.
Yeah, and she signed a waiver and relinquishment to that effect.
Yes.
And you're not disqualified in any way from serving as the executor. And you're here today asking that the court approve your application to probate your mother's will and name you as the independent executor.
Yes.
That's all I have, Judge.
All right, if I were to will to probate and authorize the letters of testamentary. Thank you, Counselor.
Thank you, sir.
Really good to see you. Have a good day.